In today's video, I will walk you through how to listen offline on Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once the app is open, go to the playlist or album you want to have available offline. This can be a playlist you've created, something you've saved, or an album you frequently revisit. At the top of the playlist or album, look for the download switch. Click it once to turn downloading on for that selection. Spotify will begin downloading the tracks in the background. Keep the app open and connected while the download completes, especially when downloading larger playlists. You'll know the download is complete when you see a small green arrow icon next to the tracks. This confirms that the songs are stored locally and ready to play without an internet connection. Next, open the main menu in the desktop app. Depending on your setup, click the three dots in the top corner or use the app's menu bar. On Windows, go to File. On Mac, go to Spotify. From there, select Offline Mode. Spotify will switch to offline mode, and it will now play only the content you've downloaded without using an internet connection. While offline mode is enabled, you can still play your downloaded playlists and albums. You can also shuffle them and repeat tracks as usual. Browse your library to check which content is available by looking for the green arrow indicator. Search results from Spotify's full catalog won't load while you're offline. Anything you haven't downloaded also won't play until you're back online. Check your library and make sure the content you need has the green arrow before going offline. To complete the process, go to the playlist or album you want available offline, click the download switch, and wait for the green arrow to appear next to the tracks. Then open the app menu and select Offline Mode under File on Windows or Spotify on Mac. Your downloaded music is now ready to play without an internet connection. Thank you for watching.